Are you ready to embark on a mind-expanding journey into the realms of spiritual enlightenment? Get ready to explore the depths of ancient wisdom as we uncover the secrets of the 8 eyes of God. But wait, what are the 8 eyes of God, you may wonder? In this video, we will unravel this mystical concept, drawing upon the interpretations found in the Bible and various spiritual teachings. Prepare to witness a transformation in your understanding of the divine nature of existence. Imagine the power of unlocking higher consciousness, gaining a deep understanding of the divine mysteries that surround us. We will guide you through the teachings of Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher who has left a profound impact on countless souls seeking spiritual awakening. And here's a little request for you, our esteemed viewer. If you find this video intriguing and informative, we kindly ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support allows us to continue bringing you this life-changing content. Okay, let's begin. The book of Zechariah in the Bible mentions the concept of the 7 eyes of God, which is often overlooked or misunderstood. These 7 eyes are associated with a stone and a lampstand with 7 lamps. The interpretation of the 7 eyes is not widely known, but they symbolize the all-seeing presence of God, reaching over the entire world. It is suggested that man is the true earth of God, highlighting the significance of humanity in spiritual teachings. Each eye represents different beliefs and behaviors of humanity in relation to God. The first eye mentioned in the text represents the illusion and fleeting nature of worldly things. It reminds us that all that is seen and experienced in this physical realm is merely temporary and illusory. The second eye symbolizes the reliance on external sources of power and authority. It suggests that placing our trust solely in worldly institutions and figures can lead to disappointment and disillusionment. Moving on, the third eye signifies the search for security and comfort in earthly governments and rulers. However, it highlights the inherent limitations and shortcomings of human-made systems. The fourth eye represents the trapping and manipulation tactics often employed in advertising and business. It serves as a reminder that these tactics can lead to consumerism and materialism, ultimately leaving individuals unsatisfied. The fifth eye represents the act of asserting oneself and creating conditions for personal success. It encourages individuals to boldly pursue their goals and dreams. The sixth eye symbolizes selfless sacrifice and the willingness to help others. It emphasizes the importance of empathy and compassion in our interactions with fellow human beings. And the seventh eye, known as Jesus or Jehovah Saves, represents the ultimate act of giving oneself for the betterment of humanity. It embodies the idea of selfless love and service to others. This interpretation suggests that by embodying the qualities associated with this seventh eye, individuals can contribute to the upliftment and transformation of society as a whole. It is worth noting that there is an implied 8th eye in the Bible, which represents the unveiling and realization of one's creative potential. This eye is hidden within each individual, waiting to be discovered and expressed. It signifies the power of human creativity and the ability to manifest one's desires. This interpretation offers a deeper understanding of human nature and the potential for transformation and growth. It encourages individuals to reflect on their own perceptions and experiences, and to strive for personal development and spiritual enlightenment. Through the exploration of these biblical interpretations, individuals can gain insights into their own journey of self-discovery and self-realization. So friends, the 7 eyes represent different stages of awakening and comprehension, with the 8th eye symbolizing the unveiling of man's perfect imagination and the ability to see the world in its purest form. However, reaching this state of spiritual enlightenment is not a linear process. It requires clarifying the seventh eye of Jesus, which acts as a catalyst for the unveiling of the eighth eye. Neville Goddard, a spiritual teacher, offers a different approach to prayer and attaining spiritual enlightenment. Unlike the traditional Anglo-American approach of supplication, where one asks for desires and needs to be fulfilled, Goddard encourages individuals to question this method. This questioning led many to the study of ancient non-Anglo spiritual practices and the teachings of New Thought. In New Thought, organized religions have adopted structures and hierarchies similar to traditional Protestant churches. They have established their own right and wrong ways of doing things. However, Goddard emphasizes the power of the individual's mind and their ability to shape their own reality. According to Goddard, achieving spiritual enlightenment involves self-sacrifice and giving of oneself for the good of others. By offering complete and unconditional love, one can transcend the limitations of the physical world and tap into a higher state of consciousness. Goddard speaks of the eighth eye, a metaphorical representation of understanding eternity and the ability to change one's state of being. Through this understanding, individuals can manipulate their own reality and manifest their desires. Knowledge, according to Goddard, comes through personal experience and experimentation. It is not solely dependent on external validation or the knowledge of others. Awakening to one's true nature allows for a deeper understanding of reality and a detachment from worldly teaching. Goddard also acknowledges the role of dreams in providing insight and understanding. However, he emphasizes that dreams are not true representations of reality. To fully comprehend their meaning, one must approach them with the knowledge that they are symbolic and subjective in nature. Goddard connects this concept to the sense of touch and the ability to manifest desires through visualization and belief. He refers to this capacity as the Western Gate and emphasizes the importance of holding on to the things we want in our imagination. By visualizing and believing in our desired job, home, marriage, or any other aspect of our lives, we can make it a reality in our outer world. The eighth eye of God serves as a gateway to unlocking our potential and creating a reality aligned with our desires. It encourages us to harness the power of our imagination and belief to shape our lives according to our deepest longings. Through the understanding and application of this concept, individuals can tap into their creative power and manifest the life they truly want. As we draw near the end of this captivating video, we hope that you have found inspiration and enlightenment through our exploration of the eight eyes of God. The profound teachings and techniques we have shared are meant to catalyze your spiritual growth and lead you towards higher consciousness. If you have enjoyed this video, we kindly ask you to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you will stay updated with our latest content and continue to unravel the mysteries of the spiritual realm. We value your thoughts and opinions, so please take a moment to share your insights in the comment section below. Your participation in the conversation will enrich our community and help others on their manifestation journey. Before we part ways, we extend our heartfelt blessings to you as you continue to manifest the life you desire. Remember, the power of the divine resides within you, and by embracing your true nature, you can create miracles and transform your reality. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and exploring the depths of your being. May you find peace, joy, and fulfillment in your spiritual journey.